Welcome! Today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how manually you can switch media play when you are using the Apple Watch. So at first we have to be for sure connected with our Apple Watch. To make it, just open the case and put one of the earpod to the ear. Next, just grab your Apple Watch. Then we have to slide like that to open this notification center. Next, you have to scroll down and tap on this icon. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine and they just connect automatically. I mean, they switch automatically to the AirPods. But if you have the problem that the AirPods are not playing sound when you put them into your ear, you have to switch from the speaker, so from this one, to the AirPods. You have to select them like that. Or if your Apple Watch connect with another AirPods, like for example with my AirPods Pro, so we can just, unselect them and then pick our correct AirPods. So that's very simple, and after that you can just go back. So yeah, that's how you can manually switch media play on your Apple Watch when you are using AirPods 3. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.